Hi, I'm Charles Haines. I'm Managing Director of Hall Stage, and we are representing the Hoffend and Sons LivePipe hoist for sale outside of the US to our dealers and distributors around the world. LivePipe is a new development from Hoffend's. Previous products from the guys over there include the Vortec hoist, one of the largest selling package hoists in the history of entertainment, I think, and also working on the Prodigy hoist for ETC. Working on much of the same principle as the Prodigy system, LivePipe works with a dual 3mm wire rope which simultaneously winds around a 45mm drum so that the load is evenly shared across both 3mm wire ropes. The hoist drum is obviously very, very small and therefore requires a very small motor to run it. And then all the other components that go with it are reduced in size, making it a compact and lightweight package hoist, which is very, very easy to install. It takes about an hour to put one of these up in situ. The principal elements on the hoist are a fall arrest system on each drop line, which is triggered by an overspeed centrifugal device, so that should the hoist start moving faster than the motor can drive it, it automatically engages much like an inertia reel seatbelt in your car. Other than that, the principal element of the design of the system is that the underside of the hoist features a unistrut type channel that runs the full length of the thing, so you can bolt pretty much anything you like to it at any point. Along the bottom, full access points to all service and inspection requirements, so that the ferrules and the ends of the wire ropes can be inspected visually for service and maintenance. A normal hoist installation for us includes something like a zero fleet hoist or a pile wind hoist. To lift a load of maybe 500 kilos, a hoist of that size is going to weigh about 140 kilos. Now, to install something of that magnitude, we're going to need at least 2 guys to get the thing in situ, and then allow at least half a day to install by the time we drilled all the holes in the necessary mounting fixings and what have you in the upper areas of the theatre. So that we usually allocate half a day to get a hoist into a position, and then another half a day to put in all the drop pulleys and gubbins that go with raising and lowering a bar. With LivePipe, literally you just turn up on site. It's a 2, possibly even a 1-person carry to get it into the situ. You assemble it all on stage directly below where you need it to be operating, and then you run the wires literally up into the roof. You attach one at each point. Take the hoist up on its own self-climbing motor, obviously. Once it's a rough level, you then level it off with a laser and add the second line. Minute adjustments are available with the rigging points which work on a shared load axis.